How to create an event on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create an event on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account, and now it will take you to this page. On this page you need to go here and click on this plus icon. As you can see, now you can create an event. Choose the event name and event type, in person or online, the start date and the start time, the end date, also the external event link if you have a website, and this description of the event, and now the speakers here if you know someone, or the contacts right here, and click next. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.